This video is sponsored by Taskade. What's going on, you noob coders? Today I'm serious. I get this question a lot. Hey Sam, are you Christian? Hey Sam, are you Muslim? But let me tell you, my real religion is called Chintuism. And here we adore a small genius kid from India that went from broke to Tai Lopez. I know, no, not Tai Lopez, to becoming the next Tai Lopez. And he was able to do that because of an app that he did that allows you to know how many calories a food has. I know. Genius. And let me be honest, this is my biggest motivation. I also want to have people fighting in my garden and my mom being happy about it. So today I decided to create my own app following Chintu's steps. But what the are those steps? And I know you won't believe this, but I actually met Chintu. This sounds nuts, but here's the conversation we had on the phone last week. Hey bro, Chintu, can you tell me how to make an app like you, bro? Alright, so he didn't speak English, so I didn't understand a single shit. But he gave me these notes with the steps that we have to follow. Create an app and make money. Well, that sounds easy. But let's actually write down everything that we have to do. And for that, I will be using this app called Taskade, which allows disorganized bitches like me become organized. Still a bitch though. So, Taskade is a real-time organization and collaboration tool for remote and distributed teams. With this app, you can manage tasks, write notes, even video chat with your team in just one single unified workspace. So basically, Taskade is the simplest way to create team outlines and workflows. The first thing that you gotta do is just create a new subspace. This is gonna be the place where your team is gonna work on. And I'm just gonna call it, I don't know, noob space. And then just add a picture that represents our team. I don't know, like a banana. Yeah, perfect. And now just click on new subspace. So now if you click on invite link, you get this link that you can use to invite people outside your team. You know, because sharing is caring. That's why I love threesomes. Now here we are in our noob space, and let's just go real quick to templates here. And let's start by creating a new one. And this is where we're gonna define the workflow of our team. In this case, just me, because I'm a software engineer. I don't have friends. So let's start by adding a title, like, I don't know, app template for people that is unhappy like me. Yeah, great title. Now down here is where we're going to define the steps that you gotta follow. I like to divide the app development process in just 4 stages. So I will click here on add blog and I will define the first stage, which is going to be the virgin stage, the Da Vinci stage, the depressing stage, and the Chintu stage. And now we just have this reusable template that we can use for our future projects. So now let's just go back to our dashboard. And now let's just go here and click on new project and select the template that we just made. And now all we have to do is just start defining our task. So for the virgin stage, I will add the task think. Now if you click here on this plus button, you can see so Adam. And for this one, I will assign a due date. And that due date is gonna be from today to tomorrow. Yeah, you know, because I like quick things. Now for the Da Vinci stage, I will add the task design the app. And now I will just assign this task to someone in the team. In this case, me, because I'm a lonely person. Now moving on to the depressing stage, we have the task code that shit. And for this one, I will just add a comment, you know, to motivate the team member. You better make this work, you little piece of shit. And for the Chintu stage, we just have the task sell the app and become millionaire and make Elon Musk your slave. Alright, so it seems that we have defined our whole project, so let's just start. So our first task is think. That's stuff. But based on my experience, all White Hat Junior apps have one thing in common. They are stupid. So let's just concentrate for a second and think.
It's so big.
Okay, I think I got it. Listen closely because this is gonna make us millionaires. What about an app that will tell you when your phone is on? Yeah, I'm a fuck. Let me tell you, that's a very functional app. Exactly the opposite of my PP. So let's just mark that task as check. Alright, moving on to our next task, design the app. You know, to do this part, usually people will recommend to use some software like Ligma or Microsoft Paint. But not me, because I'm smarter. And also, I don't know how to use them. So I'm gonna be using, one second, my whiteboard. Okay, so when designing an app, it's all about the user experience. Basically, you have to make the user come. So I'm gonna draw here the best ideas that I have.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so as you can see here, I wanted to follow today's trend, you know, the kids. So I made this app minimalistic. So this app only says yes, but I will assign that font based on your race. So if you're white, I will assign you Comic Sans. If you're Indian, I will assign you Comic Sans. But if you're Latino, I will assign you Comic Sans. and I will also steal your wife. Alright, cool, enough bullshit. Let's go back to Taskade. Alright, so let's mark our second task as done. But this time, I'm not gonna do it on my computer, I'm gonna do it from my phone. Because Taskade also has a mobile app, and it has it for iPhone and Android. And it also has the dark theme and the light theme. And if you use this one, I hate you. So here we are, so let's just go to my task, and here are all the tasks that were assigned to me. By me. So let's just go to this one, this time the app. So let's just click on the task, and if you click on the cloud down here, I can add a picture from my photo library, and I will definitely censor all of my notes here. There we go, the picture of the mockup that I made is already here. And now my boss knows that I did my job and that I was not fapping all the time. So now I will just mark this task as checked. And since this app is real time, we can go back to my computer, and you see here, the picture is uploaded and it's marked as done. Another cool thing about Taskade is that you can see your project in different formats. Right now we're watching it as a list, but you can also watch it as a board like this, or maybe as a mind map like this. This is pretty cool. And you have also an organization chart, which is, yeah, cool, I guess. But yeah, I'm a basic white bitch, so I'm just gonna keep it as list. Alright, so our next task, code that shit. So this is the easy part, because this is the moment when you start crying, and I am an expert on that. So let's initialize a new expo ad that I will call is
Many hours later.
Alright, I'm done. Okay, so here is the app and here is my beautiful code. But that is not important, because while coding, I had a realization. You know, I always try to make things better. And I realized that typing is inefficient because you have to use 10 of your fingers. And I said, I'm just gonna use one finger. So instead of typing, what I did was come into my favorite IDE, Microsoft Word, and use this function called dictate. So I will speak my code, then I will copy it and paste it in VS Code. So the whole process looked like this. Console dot, no, I mean, not the word dot, like, no, don't write that shit. Oh, God. Anyways, now we can go back to Taskade and mark our third task as checked. We can also come here and just add a comment saying, I made it, boy. So the whole team now can see that. In my case, just me. But that's the cool thing about Taskade, you know? You can keep track of all the tasks that your teammates have made. You can even video chat within this platform. You just gotta click here on start call and then join meeting. And oh my God, look at that beautiful face. So the first 1,000 subscribers that get Taskade using my discount code NOOB or the link in my description will get a 100% lifetime discount to Taskade Unlimited Pro. That is lifetime. That means forever. That means until you die. Hopefully for me, that's pretty soon. But for you, since all of you are 10 years old, it's like for 80 years or something. So yeah, just go try. So yeah, thank you Taskade for sponsoring this video. But there is still one more task to be done. This one, sell the app and become millionaire and make Elon Musk your slave. Okay, so the Elon Musk part sounds hard, but I know I can sell this app. But I'm gonna do it in the best place on the internet to sell stuff and watch unwanted dicks. Omegle. Alright, so Omegle wasn't working, but I found this other called Chat Roulette. Alright, so let's just try it out. Yo.
Hi.
Okay, I have a question for you. I just made an app and I'm trying to sell it.
What is it about?
Okay, let me explain. Has it happened to you that after 24 years, you're still a virgin?
Yes.
I mean, that's my case, but whatever. So, what if I told you that I made an app that lets you know when your phone is on?
If you can open the app, your phone is on.
Then it works.
Right.
How much will you pay for it?
I wouldn't.
No, I mean, how much?
Zero. It's stupid.
No. It's not stupid because it works and I made it. What about 1,000 pesos?
I wouldn't.
What about 500?
No.
What if I pay you so you can buy it? I almost sold it. What if I told you that I made an app that gives you superpowers? And by superpowers, I mean STDs.
Hi.
What if I told you that I made an app that will make COVID disappear but will decrease the size of your penis? Would you buy it?
Yes.
Yes, because I don't have a
Totally.
penis.
Awesome. I didn't make that app because that's impossible. But I made this app that will let you know when your phone is on.
Yes, okay.
How much would you pay for that?
To know if my phone is on,
I paid with my life savings.
How much is your life savings? $2?
$0.
Zero.
So what about 1,000 Argentinian pesos?
No, that's nothing. That's shit.
What about 500?
500 is less than 1,000.
Great math. What about 200?
That's $1, friend.
Okay, would you pay $1 for this app?
No.
No.
I wouldn't pay.
I don't have the money for $1.
Alright, that's enough. I couldn't sell the app, but if you still wanna buy it, let me know down in the comments and I will sell it to you, okay? Anyways, that was it for this week's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Samuel Miller and join my Discord server, the Noob Corridors Gang. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, ciao!
Mami, muévete, que tu avalao te ha dicho otra vez.